To all my followers, you can't sit with us. This way to Mean Girls. You can't sit with us because this special premiere already happened on October the 3rd. I was so delighted to be invited to the 20th anniversary musical celebration on West End of the pop culture movie Mean Girls starring Lindsay Lohan. The event at the Savoy Theatre in London was so fetch. The Mean Girls musical is epic. Celebrities and the who's who showed up and showed out at the red carpet. And of course, your girl had to be there to represent the American girl in London. Why October 3rd? Well, if you've watched the movie, Lindsay Lohan's character is excited because it was the day the cute guy in her math class spoke to her. Why are we all wearing pink? Because on Wednesdays we wear pink. Forget about the fact that this October 3rd, it fell on a Thursday.
Guys, thank you so much. You guys have been the best audience we have had all night. Just before we let you all go, lock the doors. I'm kidding. Before we let you all go, we just wanted to talk to you about something very quickly. Now, I'm sure most of you, if not all of you, will know that today's date is a very special one. Should we all say what it is after 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's October 3rd. It is Mean Girls Day. And what makes this October 3rd particularly special? Well, 2 reasons actually. Firstly, it is the first year that Mean Girls the musical is in London's West End. And we are currently booking until April 2025. So please, if you've enjoyed this evening, come again. Bring some new faces, bring some old faces. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3.
You may not be able to sit with us because the premiere is over, but you can sip with us. Champagne kisses. Cheers. Oh, lastly, don't ever be a mean girl. It always has its consequences. Assertive yes, mean no. I'm not a mean girl because it isn't in my style, darling.